Ayan. So, habang chumichika pa sila doon, chichikahin na kita. It's great to see you.
Nice to see you always, MJ.
Oh, you're so beautiful as
Thank
usual.
you so much. I think the last time I saw you, I was sick.
Oo nga, tsaka
You had
dito
the
rin
interview
yun.
here, yes,
Oh
also
my
to Marie France,
gosh.
yes, I was
Wait,
sick.
how was life since then? Dami
I
nangyari.
think, para medyo matagal na yun. Parang 2 years ago.
Correct.
A year ago.
Oo.
It's been good. Kids are in school, so it's a little hectic. And yeah, happy to study with Marie France.
Wait, so how's motherhood been treating you? Kasi parang grabe ko pa pala susundo sa mga anak mo, ha?
My whole life is revolved around the schedule of my kids. My entire life. Every day, I bring them to school, I pick them up, I bathe them, I feed them, everything. And it's not just school. After school, they have activities that they do, and I'm there for them every day. So, everything.
At si segue pa
I am
sana.
a full-time mother.
Wait lang, sa segue pa sana ako ng tanong dahil syempre alam naman natin na yung, hindi ko alam kung ano ka pa, updated ka pa sa ganap sa telebisyon, pero alam naman natin na yung PBB, di ba, nag-GMA na, nagkaroon na ng mga collab, and pangalan mo talaga yung namimiss na mga tao. So, meron bang chance na maging part-time full mom ka ulit?
Oh, I think they're doing great. I think that family is growing, and I really honestly wish them the best. Alam mo yon, it's very exciting, and kayang-kaya nila yun.
What will make you come back?
I think when my kids are older, when they don't need me as much, because right now, I think the need for the mom is
Cheers to Marie France again,
pinaka,
everybody.
kasi kailangan yung guidance, alam mo, nagpapalaki ako ng mga anak. Yun ang ginagawa ko.
How old is your youngest now?
She's 5.
That's our official
Yeah,
photographer.
she's with me.
All right.
Ay,
Because she's never away
Thank you
from
so
me.
much again to Mary
Oh,
France
always with
executives,
me.
Roberta
You're the top host, one of the top hosts in the country. Have you ever thought of the day na senador asawa mo, tapos si Kuya Will na matagal mo rin nakasama, ang taas din sa survey, nakakaloka, baka magsama sila doon?
Enjoy, spread the word about Endless
Well,
Beers, everybody. And do not forget to tag us, of course, at
Who
Mary
knows,
France PH
diba, what's
on
gonna
Facebook
happen?
and
I never
Instagram.
thought na
And of
mangyayari
course,
yun,
share our
but-
official website.
Diba? I mean, what are your musings pag naiisip mo, my God, oo, senador asawa ko, senatorial wife ako, yung mga nakatrabaho ko, now they're gonna lead the country.
Now, happy 40th year, Mary
Well,
France.
I think that Robin, representing the Muslim community, is, in my opinion, he's doing his best. So, and we're just here to support him in all of his projects.
After you enjoy your merienda,
Yun, wala
we would
namang
like to invite
kasi
you to
hindi ko naman
witness
na-feel
Endosphere's treatments in action.
na nagbago drastically yung buhay namin. Parehas naman yung, parehas pa rin. Alam mo yon?
Malayo ka ba sa ingay ng politika? Malayo. What's your secret? Correct. What's your secret?
Hindi ko na wala ako ng stress na yon. I think it's because my role in the family is very clear. You know, I'm here to raise the kids. And yun ang malinaw sa aming dalawa ni Robin. Yung setup namin is made that way na doon ako sa kids. Huwag niya nang alalahanin yung mga bata, ako bahala. So he can do better, he can focus on his
Galing.
work.
Super last, what's your, of course, syempre, hindi naman lahat senador yung asawa, no? Pero yung similar na high demand yung job ng husband nila, and as a mom, what's your advice to other moms regarding supporting and being there for the family?
I think number one is really to support. You know, sometimes you don't need to suggest, you should just listen. Diba? Alam mo, sometimes just listen. Sometimes, alam mo, sa sobrang, ako ang feeling ko, ang ginagawa ko, dahil nga, hectic na doon, we never talk about politics at home. We talk about the achievements, what the kids have been doing, what they're up to now, what they're into now, ganon. Kasi, feeling ko para makapag-focus, kailangan puno yung love tank niya. At yung love tank niya, mapupuno lang yon ng family. Alam mo yun.
I
Yun
love
lang.
it. Thank you. At last na lang pala, kailan yung matanda na yung mga anak mo?
Hindi ko alam kasi ano pa, wala pa tayo
Wala
doon.
pa tayo doon. So, soon. Hindi soon.
Ay, hindi soon.
Okay.